Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to our class for today. Our lesson is about Python strings. So I hope you learned something from the previous lesson that we have. It's all about data types. So we have several data types, most common of which were numbers such as integer, float, complex. We also have character and the strings. So for now, palawigon tapagid ang aton nga lessons. Let us go deeper about the different strings. So in your module, if you have your module with you, so may ara kita dira nga pre-test, no? So of course, I do not expect you nga ma-perfect nyo ini. So this is only to find out whether or not you have something in store, no, about Python strings. So let us go back. Ano ang string liwat? So as mentioned several weeks ago, no. So this is a string, or string is one of the fundamental Python data types. Okay, the term data type refers to what kind of data a value represents, and the string are used to represent text. So again, strings are used to represent text. Example, ano ang data type, or what data type can you store sa variable nga name? So text na siya ang pwede mo isulod dira nga value, therefore that particular variable nga name is a string or has a string data type. So string literals in Python are surrounded by either single quotation marks. So take note, guys. Example, if you have a string nga hello, it should be enclosed again with single quote, or you can use there the double quote. So that would tell that that particular text is a string. Okay? So you can display a string literal with a print function, of course. So example, print hello, or just print hello nga using the single quotation marks are the same. So ako yan naman, I am used to using the double quote. So depending sa inyo if you are fond of using single quote or double quote. In my case, double quote, kay parang hindi nakamag, or pwede man do, single or double. It will give us the same output anyway. How to assign string to a variable? So assigning a string to a variable is done with the variable name followed by an equal sign and the value of that particular string. Example, the variable is A, then the string value is hello. Then if you want to print hello, so you may use the variable which is A. So the output of which is hello. So example, if we try to run this program, sample lang ha. So amo nga code aton pangitaon karon. So is save ko. May error siya. And then let us run it. Okay, actually, error siya because it was taken from blah, blah, blah. Okay, here we go again. Ikaw bala, sir. Okay, araaton nga output nga hello. Okay, so for example, we are going to use two variables and assign values for two variables. Example, F name naton is equal to Chris, then L name is equal to Baroa. How are we going to print it together? So, gamit kita sang command nga print F name plus double quote para may space in between the value of the first name and the value of the last name. So, that's our code. Muna aton code, no? So, if we run it, first, we are going to save it. Control S lang. So, for now, may error akong compiler. Then, run, or F5. So, we have here the printout Chris Baroa. No? So, as you notice, damo siya, no? Because we have this code here sa babaw. But if we want to erase, if we erase that, syempre madula man na siya ang output, no? Okay. So, that's assigning a string to a variable. Next, we have, what about using the multi-line strings? What about damo kita nga strings, damo nga lines? So, you can assign a multi-line string to a variable by using 3 quotes or 3 double quotes. No? So, for example, A is equal to, okay, nagamit kita diri tatlo ka single, ka double quotes, and then your text, and then at the end of that string, may 3 quotes ka naman, then you're going to print A. So, for example, going back sa aton nga code, amo ni siya, no? Okay, makita nyo? So, in this case, we have variable A. The value of A is Philomer Christian University is a private blah, blah, blah. So, in the beginning of your lines, may 3 single quotes ka. And then, at the end of the last line, you also have the 3 single quotes. Then, if you want to print the value of that variable A, so if we run it, the output would be Philomer Christian University. Ara na siya. Amaning output. Pero, hindi nyo siya makita. Makita nyo siya tanan nga may nagdugang nga hello kag Chris Baroa because ang aton nga code kinpinsan ta sa isa ka file. So, kung kwaon nyo na, ang sababaw lang ang ma-display ang output man. No? But in this case, tamaran ako dabi mag-save naman sang another file. So, gina-combine ko na lang ang aton mga sample programs for now. Okay, may question? So, you can use, yes, you can use the single triple quotes or 3 double quotes. So, pwede ma-replace ang tatlo ka double quotes, 1, 2, 3. Yes, Dam. Good afternoon. How are you today? Okay. So, i-save nyo lang siya. And then, you look good and beautiful. Yeah, gali. Padagang, Diyos ko, Diyos ko. Kasilaw mo, Dam. Sorry. So, ara ang aton output. Ara aton output subong nga using the 3 double quotes. May question? So, string arrays, ano ina siya ang arrays nga ginatawag? So, like many other popular programming languages, strings in Python are arrays. Arrays of bytes representing Unicode characters. So, however, Python does not have a character data type for now, no? But still, kung isa lang ka character, pwede siya makonsider gihapon as a string. So, a single character is simply a string with the length of 1, no? So, pwede naton maisip ang, kung maghamal ikaw nga character ang imo gusto, pwede na naton maisip ang mga characters within a string or a text, no? So, square brackets can be used to access elements of the string. So, for example, so how to get the character at position 1? So, hambal diri, paano naton makuha ang character nga nasa position 1? So, ano ang aton nga value sang A nga variable? So, ang value niya is hello world. So, kung lang tawon naton, kung ang aton nga ginapangita sini are characters, ano ang characters nga ara sa variable A? So, character values are H, E, L, L, O, comma, space, W, O, R, L, D, exclamation point. Amo na ang mga characters nga present sa string naton nga A. No? Now, maghambal kita arrays, isa ka variable, pero damo ang possible niya nga values. Example, ang A naton, hambal naton kay na gin-assign naton siya nga string. Pero pwede man na siya naton mahambal nga ano dira nga A is an array. Okay? Ang A naton nga string is an array. Ano ang values nga ara sa A? So, hambal ko kaina, letter H, letter E, L, so on and so forth, nga ara sa hello world. Now, hambal diri, ano ang mga position dira? Okay, sa positioning naman sang aton characters, okay, for example, may hello world kita, anong positioning niya sina? So, you have to start from position number 0. So, 0 ara sa H, no? 1 ang E, number 2 is L, number 3 is L, so on and so forth. So, for example, if you would like to ask, ano ang value sang A naton nga variable in position 1? So, what do you think will be the value? It's letter E. No? Amo na yung sa number 1 nga position. O, ano naman ang ara sa 5th position? Ika-5th, 0, 1, Ika-5th nga position, ano nga character? Kama. Tama, kama. Diba? Yeah, kama. So, ano naman ang nasa position number 8? O. Diba? So, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, O. Tama. So, that's string arrays for the position. Okay. Slicing string. O, so, pwede ma-slice ang... Thank you sa answer. Galag. Galag ang iban nga mga answers, ha? Galag ang iban nga mga answers. Sige lang. I'm sure na... Sige. Nagalag ang iban nga answers, pero okay lang, no? I believe nga may na-learn ka mo out of it. Next is slicing string. O, pwede ma-slice ko no ang string. So, you can return a range of characters by using the slice syntax. Specify the start index, na ano ang pinaka-start niya, and the end index, separated by a colon to return a part of the string. Ilang kami nag-abot, i-admit ta anay. Okay, are you still there? So, ara kita sa slicing string. So, for example here, get the characters from position 2. Ano ang ara sa position 2? Letter L, no? For example, inihol, number 2 ko, no? And up to position number 5, which will not be included. So, hindi ta ko no pag-include ang number 5. So, ang number 5 is supposed to be comma. So, anong output ta sining print B 2 to 5? So, L, L, O. Okay, so if we run that, the output would be LLO. Kuha nyo. Okay. So, another example. Okay, so another example here. S is equal to welcome. Print S ko, no? The end value is W. W6 rather. Ika number 6 position. So, wala sa nag-specify sang beginning. Ang end lang sang array ang gusto niya i-print. So, ano? Okay. So, diin siya nag-umpisa. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, kay nag-end ka ko, no? Sa number 6 nga position, so hindi niya pag i-print si letter E. Nga ika number 6 nga position. Kuha, wala saya nag-indicate kung ano ang beginning, so it is understood nga 0 na siya nagbigin, and it will end sa ika number 6 position which will not be displayed. Gets? So, amo ning output ta. Welcome. Okay. Another example, iniya, beginning lang sang posisyon ang iyang